how to use Quick Help feature on your LG TV. Press the Settings button on the remote control and locate all settings from the menu. Under the Support section, select the Quick Help feature. The Quick Help menu gives you three options: Optimization settings, check items, and LG remote service. Optimization settings run an inspection of your TV status. Once done, you can view your settings status. Check items allows you to quickly diagnose your TV issues and recommend possible solutions. If you require more technical support for your TV, select the LG remote service to receive an authorization code. This will allow one of our customer service team members to remotely access and help you with your problems.